All right. Put me down for 10. Put me down for 10. I win again. I lost again. I lost again. Forget this table. They cheat. These guys are a bunch of cheaters. No way. Come on, give me a 7. Woohoo! All right. All right. Put me down for red. Put me down for red. I'll bet red. Oh, I win again. No! Come on, give me a 7.
Oh, come on. Dang it. Dang it.
Forget this. Darn it.
Yes!
I win again. The dice are not on my side today.
What? No.
No way. Dang it. Darn the luck. Darn the luck. Oh, dagnabbit. Full house. Woohoo! Hey! Whoa! Nope. Nope, not today. Ooh. Oh, I won again. Oh, I won again. Oh, come on, you can bet more than that. Step right up, step right up. Come on, put your money where your mouth is. Raise it. I fold. I fold. Full house. I win again. Oh, this is great. I lost again. I won again. Oh, this is cheating. He has a card up his sleeve. I swear he has cards up his sleeve. What's that card on the floor? Why is there a card on the floor?